This technology is called Duolingo.com. It's very easy to use. I teach Chinese, so last year I was trying to figure out how, from a student's standpoint, how hard it is for them to learn a language, especially Chinese. So I started learning Spanish using this Duolingo. It has been really fun. As the website said, it's free as long as you get to certain point, but I didn't go that far. So it's been free and fun, effective way for me to learn the Spanish. And it's very personalized learning. So I set up my own goal, like 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day. I can go as take more lessons a day, or I can go as slow as I can. And also they give you prize, and so it's like a game feature, very fun, and reminders for me to keep learning. So this has been really fun. It's easy to use. I can have it on my phone to play around with it. And there's tests. But this year, while I was looking for it, I see this Duolingo for free. Duolingo for schools is for free. So I'm going to, I checked about it. I'm going to use this for my Chinese class. I think it's very helpful to differentiate learning, because my students have different interests and different level of Chinese. So this will help them to keep learning, keep practice after the Chinese class, and they can win prizes and keep them motivated. And I can also check their progress like this, so I can see where they're at. Also, I can also make a group so students can see each other's progress, and like a competition within each other, within the class with each other. So for ISTE, I see this as a 3.5C, use technology to regularly engage in reflective practice that support personal and professional growth, continue learning, continue growing with my students. Thank you.